In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Canva, and it's going to take just about 5 minutes, whether you're looking to update your profile for personal reasons or to better reflect your current branding. Changing your name in Canva is a straightforward process that we're about to walk through together step by step. So let's dive right in and make sure you're all set. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Canva account if you haven't done so already. Once you're in, you should see your main dashboard where all the magic happens. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen and you'll find a small icon that resembles a gear, often referred to as the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is your gateway to all account related configurations, including the name change we're about to make. Now, after clicking on the settings icon, you'll find yourself on the settings page. This is where you manage all your account details. Keep your eyes peeled for a section labeled your account. Within this section, you should see an option that says Edit beside your current name. Click on this Edit button. This action will allow you to modify your personal information. Here's the fun part. You can now select the name field and delete what's currently there. Type in your new desired name, making sure it's exactly how you'd like it to appear across your Canva projects and account. As you enter your new name, take a moment to double check the spelling and capitalization to ensure everything looks perfect. This is important because your name is a key element of your personal or professional brand within Canva, and you'll want it to reflect exactly what you envision. After you've typed in your new name and confirmed it's correct, just click outside the name box to save your changes. Generally, Canva saves changes automatically, but it's always a good practice to look for any save indicators to be absolutely sure it's locked in, and just like that, you've successfully updated your name in Canva. Before we wrap this up, here's a quick tip. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, Canva's help resources are quite comprehensive. You can always refer to those guides or reach out to support for specific queries. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to ensure your Canva name fits just how you want it. Making these small adjustments can keep your profile current and reflective of any changes in your personal or business ventures. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to stick around as we explore more tips and tricks to boost your Canva skills.